Welcome to Kenfra Research. If you're planning to start your PhD or struggling to find a research topic, this video is for you. Today, we are going to explain how to choose a research topic in a simple and clear way with useful tips and real-world examples. Let's begin with the most important idea. Your PhD topic is not just the first step, it's the foundation of your entire research journey.
Step 1. Start from your core interest. Ask yourself what problems or questions have made you curious. The best research starts from a genuine interest, not just academic trends. Don't select a topic just because it's popular or your guide suggested it. Instead, refer your previous projects, coursework, or internships. If your topic truly interests you, you will get motivated even when the work gets hard.
Step 2. Read broadly, then narrow down. First, choose a broad topic that you are interested in. Then go to online and check the latest research papers using trusted websites like Google Scholar, Scopus, IEEE Explore, or Semantic Scholars. Read both review papers and some journal articles. Don't just read any papers. To get an overall idea, start with review papers. Try to notice what most researchers are working on again and again. In the future work or limitation part of the paper, see what authors say is not done yet. That's your chance to pick a research gap and work on it.
Step 3. Identify a clear research gap. A research gap is not just something that hasn't been studied. It's something that needs to be studied. Common types of research gaps are a population not have been studied, a region or country that has been tested in a specific scenario, a region or country ignored in current literature, old studies with outdated or unclear results. If you find something that's getting skipped, that's likely a research gap.
Step 4. Evaluate feasibility. Even if your topic is brilliant, you need to check the feasibility. Before finalizing your research topic, think practically. Can you able to collect the data you need? Can you complete it within 3 to 5 years? Is your guide familiar with your domain? Do you have the tools, softwares, lab access or permission to work on it? Are there any legal or ethical problems in doing this research? Feasibility is as important as originality. So choose a topic that is doable, realistic and you are truly interested in.
5. Narrow your scope. A PhD topic should be focused. If it's too broad, it's hard to manage. For example, technology in education, it's too general.
But effectiveness of virtual labs in teaching engineering students in Southeast Asia 2024-2026. It's clear, focused and practical. Make your topic specific so it's easier to plan, get approval and finish.
Step 6. Align with publication. A good topic must be publishable in good journals. Before finalizing, first identify the top journals in your area. Then study their recent articles to understand the accepted format. Then note down the frequent keywords, research methods and writing tone. Choosing a topic that fits these patterns can increase your publication success.
Step 7. Take feedback before final decision. Before finalizing your topic, share it with your guide, senior colleagues and scholars. Ask them, is this topic relevant right now? Are they realistic? Would they approve this if they were reviewers? Honest feedback at this stage can prevent you major problems in your research.
Let's recap quickly. Start with your interest, review the literature deeply. Find the real gap, confirm feasibility. Narrow your scope, think about publication, get early feedback. Choosing your PhD topic isn't luck, it's about smart thinking.
If this video helped you, share this video to your research community and academic groups. Subscribe to Kenfra Research for more contents on research writing, publishing and academic success. You can also share your research ideas, questions in the comment below. We are happy to guide you.